What's up, guys? Today I'm out in the man cave and I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own two-piece lure mold. So stick around. Okay, welcome back. So let's go ahead and jump right in here with the materials you're gonna need. See, so you're gonna need a lure. Okay, we got this here. Then you're gonna need a piece of PVC pipe. And then I got some of this Malin or AFW solid core leader. And we need some corks. And obviously you're gonna need some epoxy because that's what we're making the lure out of, or we're making the mold out of. Now, when you're thinking corks, you know, you're gonna need a piece of cork that will fit inside here. And then, really quite simple. Take your wire, and we are going to get pretty close to the center of this cork. I'm gonna stick it down in there, okay. All right. And a lot of you may see where I'm going with this, okay. And then I'm just going to thread this through here and keep it centered, okay? Because I want it stiff. All right. Got a little bit of a bend to it. I'm gonna try to straighten that out. Okay, if you can see that, that is pretty much dead center. Next step, mix up epoxy. Okay guys, we're gonna let this sit and harden, and then whenever we come back, we're going to make this into two pieces. We'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, this is the finished mold. Piece 2, put them together, okay? And we're gonna secure them with rubber bands there. And we'll be able to pour into here, open it up, we give it a try. All right guys, we got the plastic heated up. Let's pour it in this mold and see how it comes out. top. Okay guys, this is it. Big reveal. And there we have it. All right. And let's see what this will look like with the jig head in it. There we go. Very own 2-piece mold. You can take a favorite lure of yours if you wanted a custom color and make it yourself. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it and hope to see you soon.